If you were to give anyone advice in terms of mindset, who's out there pitching and having their ideas rejected, what would you say to them as words of encouragement?
Well, I always like to visualize the end, right? And so in my mind, it was really clear that this client was going to buy tens of thousands of books. I even had a volume scale with the different quantities and the dollars. So I was clear that this was going to result in in a win. I just felt that. So you change your mindset to be positive, expect positive results. That would be number one. And number two, I would say when you get a no, and in sales you often get a no, you need to know what their objections are. And like you said earlier, who else is involved with this decision that you need to know about? So in our case, legal was an important factor. Marketing was an important factor. The sales team was an important factor. So you kind of need to know all the players. And we had to address some of those issues. Well, we in fact addressed all of them to get to the yes.
Great information. And I'm sure that in order to find the answers to all of those questions, you had to ask specific questions. I
Yeah.
won't ask you what those are now, but I do know that you include those answers in your course on how to scale your business using strategic partnerships. So how can the people who are listening and who are interested in learning about scaling their business through strategic partnerships, how do they find more information?
We have a brand new course and I walk you through all the steps and I simplify the process so that you too can scale your business with effective strategic partnerships. We walk you through it. I share the case studies, take you behind the scenes, show you what worked, what didn't work, how we tweaked it, and how we did get to yes and sell tens of thousands of books. So just click the link below, John, and they can learn more and sign up.
Great. We'll put that link in the comment section for those of you who are interested in scaling your business and getting more customers by spending less. Ronald Levin, thank you so much for spending your time with us. I'm John Watkins from High Stakes Performance. We'll be seeing you again soon.